Hi everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to on off keyboard autocorrection in Google Pixel 11. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.